So Whiskers, our cat, just was meowing outside, and I thought, oh, poor Whiskers out in the rain. He sounds so pathetic. We'll let him in.
Why did you let a bird into our house, Cat?
He let a bird into our house. He didn't just bring us a treat that was dead. He brought us a live bird.
Okay, bird. Okay.
And let go of the bird right by Chris's head on the couch.
All right. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay.
We're not totally certain how you get a bird
It's
out. Chris
okay.
seems to think you do it with your bare hands. Bird in the house saga. Oh. Whiskers is gonna see about getting that bird that he let loose in our house.
Did you get it?
Again.
Okay.
He did.
Outside,
Oh,
outside,
running.
outside. Outside. No.
He's got the bird.
Outside.
Please don't
Thank
let go
you.
of the bird, Whiskers.
Thank you for
Please don't let go of the bird.
Thank you for getting the bird outside. Go. Thank you.
Success.
That works. Hire a cat.